A building which partially collapsed in Christiana, Manchester following recent heavy rains was not approved for construction. That's according to Mandeville Mayor Donovan Mitchell as he urged developers to follow the rules. He was speaking during a tour of damaged areas across the parish. Krista Campbell reports.
Land slippages, collapsed culverts and other flood damage across Manchester. The southern parish was not spared the wrath of the outer bands of what eventually strengthened into Hurricane Zeta. Mandeville Mayor, Member of Parliament for Central Manchester and the National Works Agency (NWA) touring the worst affected communities to assess the damage. Damage many never saw coming, but some of which could have been prevented. Mayor Donovan Mitchell is concerned about the collapse of sections of a commercial building in Christiana.
It is a building that got no permission from the MMC, and so we have issued a stop order, we have issued the enforcement notice, and they have been given, I think it's 14 days to demolish the building that is there. Yesterday I went there and there were young men on top of the building trying to do some work, and I made it clear that they have to get off the building because the building is unstable, and so we have asked the owners to use the correct equipment and the correct people to deal with demolishing the building.
It's prompted this advice.
To developers, what I see up there is penny wise and pound foolish. You have spent millions of dollars trying to build something, and at the end of the day, I don't think any engineering thought was put into the thing, and so I am asking that persons, developers, just seek some advice from the council. It's better for you to spend the money doing the right thing than have to spend twice the amount at the end of the day.
Blocked drains and other waterways caused a lot of the flooding across Manchester. MP Rhoda Crawford concedes these are long-standing issues which no one agency or authority will be able to fix.
I've seen soakaway areas to be used for soakaway being dumped on. I've seen other areas that have been built or rechanneled for soakaway. The water isn't soaking at the rate that we'd want that to be soaked. I'm seeing too where residents have blocked the natural channel leading into drains. And I've seen too where there are areas that requires some retaining wall to rechannel water.
On Caledonia Road in Mandeville,
this is a water retention area, but they have been dumping here, and what we're trying to find out how much more dumping will be done here. Definitely NEPA would have to give some permission for what is happening here. I don't know if that has been done. So we'll be calling in NEPA to sit with us to look not only at this one, but there are a number of areas in the town centre or in Mandeville, the perimeter of Mandeville, that persons are dumping, some for car mods, some for buildings, and it cannot continue.
The MP, Mayor and NWA will be meeting again to further discuss the plan of action for some of the affected areas. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.